During pandemic, delivery services boomed and these Q-commerce companies are promising to deliver within 10 minutes time frame. Today, in the episode 2 of the Q-commerce series, we are going to discuss about the business model of Q-commerce industries. Let's try to understand how a retailer is delivering so fast. The retailer used to take hours, even days to deliver the products. Now they are delivering in 15 minutes. That is possible if the products are kept very near to the customer. And that's the reason of the boom of dark stores or mini warehouses. Dark stores are nothing but hyper-localized warehouses. These dark stores are having fewer stocks than a normal big warehouses. They are only having products which are in demand in that particular geography. This dark store design has a lot to do with the data. The market survey in the locality gives the retailer a brief idea about the product's need. They also consult with the nearby local stores to understand the demand pattern. The assortment strategies are also very unique. It varies from locations to locations. Examples, they will keep all the heavy products together so that when a picker goes, they will take those heavy products together and keep it in the bottom of the bag so that it does not squash the fresh produce. Similarly, the highly demanded products will be kept in the front of the warehouses so that picker will come, take that up and then finally pack that and start their delivery. You can think of these hyper-localized dark stores are the driving factor of getting the delivery done within 10 minutes time. So once you place an order, the order goes to the nearby dark store. The dark store operator assigns that product to a delivery partner. That delivery partner or the picker will pick the products from the dark stores and packs it and start the delivering to the customer. This entire process takes 10 minutes time frame. If I just think about the time division into the entire 10-minute process, first 1 to 2 minutes are allocated for picking and packing. Next 8 minutes are assigned for the delivery. But dark store is not the only reason. We'll discuss this in our next episode.